Hello everyone. My name is Bella, and I am very happy you are here with me today. In this video, we will visit South Korea together and practice easy English listening. Today you will hear a simple conversation with slow and clear English for beginners. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story with us. I also have a small question for you today. During our conversation, David will talk about one food that is very spicy. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. At the end, you can write your answer in English. Okay, are you ready? Let us begin our story. Hello, David. I am so excited today because this is my first time visiting South Korea. Everything looks very new and interesting to me. This morning I looked outside my hotel window and saw many people walking quickly, many bright signs, and many beautiful buildings. I already feel very curious about this place.
Oh, Bella. I am very happy you are here. South Korea is a very fun place to visit, and I think you will enjoy your trip a lot. There are many interesting streets, many cafés, and many good restaurants. Today we can walk around together and enjoy the city slowly.
That sounds perfect to me because I really enjoy calm days when I travel. I like walking slowly, looking at stores, and watching people during their daily life. Everything feels different here, and I want to notice many small things today.
I think that is a great idea because daily life in South Korea can be very interesting. Many people are busy during the day, but there are also many relaxing places where people drink coffee, talk with friends, and enjoy good food together.
I already noticed many cafes near my hotel this morning. I saw people sitting quietly, drinking coffee, and talking together. The cafes looked very cozy and comfortable. I think I would like to visit one later today.
We can definitely do that. South Korea has many beautiful cafes, and people here really enjoy spending time there. Some cafes are very modern, and some feel very calm and traditional. I think you will like the atmosphere a lot.
I am also very excited to try Korean food, but I feel a little nervous too. Many people say Korean food can be very spicy, and I do not usually eat very spicy meals. I hope I can still enjoy the food today.
Do not worry too much, Bella. Not all Korean food is very spicy. There are many simple and delicious foods too. But I must say that kimchi can feel very spicy for some people, especially if they are not used to it.
Oh, I have heard about kimchi before. I think I still want to try it because I want the full experience of visiting South Korea. Maybe I will only eat a small amount first and see how I feel after that.
That sounds like a smart idea. Trying new food is part of traveling, and it can become a very fun memory later. If the kimchi feels too spicy, you can always drink water or eat something mild after it.
I am already having fun, and we only started our day. I think this trip will become a very special memory for me. I want to see beautiful places, try new foods, and learn more about life in South Korea.
I think you will have a wonderful time here, Bella. Now let us start walking because I know a very nice street nearby with cafes, restaurants, and many interesting little shops for us to explore together. I think you will really like this street, Bella. Many people come here every day to shop, eat, and spend time with friends. It is one of my favorite places because there is always something interesting to see, but it never feels too crowded.
I can already see why you like it. There are so many small stores and every store looks different. Some stores sell clothes, some sell food, and some sell things for the home. I feel like I could spend hours just walking here and looking around.
That is true. Many visitors enjoy this area because it feels very friendly and welcoming. People often come here after work or on weekends. It is a good place to relax and enjoy the day without any hurry.
Look at that bakery over there. The bread looks fresh, and I can smell something sweet from here. The smell is making me hungry again, even though I was not very hungry a few minutes ago.
That bakery is very popular. Many people stop there in the morning to buy bread and coffee. Sometimes I go there before work because the bread is always fresh and warm.
I think it is interesting how food can tell us something about a place. Every country has different snacks, different meals, and different traditions. When I travel, I always enjoy learning about food because it helps me understand people better.
I agree with you. Food is a big part of culture. Families often share meals together, and friends often meet at restaurants or cafes. Food brings people together in many ways.
Oh, look at those colorful signs. There are so many Korean letters everywhere. I wish I could read them. Right now they look beautiful, but they are still a mystery to me.
When I first started learning Korean, I felt the same way. At first, everything looked difficult. But after some practice, I started recognizing words little by little. Learning a language takes time, but it can be very rewarding.
That gives me hope. Maybe I can learn a few Korean words during my trip. Even learning simple words like hello and thank you would make me happy.
That is a great goal. Local people usually appreciate it when visitors try to speak a few words in their language. Even simple phrases can make conversations more friendly.
I think traveling becomes more fun when you learn small things about the local culture. It makes you feel more connected to the place and the people around you.
Exactly. And speaking of culture, there is a small traditional market not far from here. It is very different from modern shopping centers. Would you like to visit it?
Yes, absolutely. That sounds very interesting. I would love to see a traditional market and learn more about everyday life here. I think it will be very different from the places I usually visit.
Then let us go there. I think you will see many interesting foods, many friendly people, and many things that will help you understand South Korea a little better.
I am excited already. Every time you tell me about a new place, I become even more curious. I think visiting a traditional market will be very different from visiting a shopping mall. I want to see what people buy and how they spend their day there.
I think you will enjoy it. The market has many small stands, and each stand sells something different. Some people sell fruit, some sell vegetables, and some sell snacks. There are also people selling clothes, bags, and small gifts.
That sounds wonderful. I like places where many different things are happening at the same time. It feels more alive and more interesting. I also enjoy watching people work and talk with customers.
We are getting close now. Look ahead. Can you see those colorful umbrellas and all those people walking around? That is the market. It is usually busy, but the atmosphere is very friendly.
Wow, I can see it now. There are so many people here. I also notice many different smells in the air. Some smells are sweet, some smell like bread, and some smell like food I have never tried before.
The food section is one of the most popular parts of the market. Many visitors come here just to eat. Some people even spend an entire afternoon walking around and trying different foods.
I think I could do that too. Everything looks delicious. Even though I do not know what many of these foods are, they look interesting. I enjoy trying new things when I travel.
That is a good attitude. Sometimes the best travel memories come from simple experiences. You try a new food, talk to a local person, or discover a place you did not plan to visit.
I agree. Some of my favorite memories from past trips were not famous attractions. They were small moments, like finding a quiet cafe or having a nice conversation with someone. That is exactly how I feel. Today has been a wonderful day. I have seen new places, learned new things, and enjoyed my time here in South Korea. Even the simple moments have been very special for me.
I am happy to hear that, Bella. South Korea has many interesting places, and I think this was a great first day. There is still so much more for you to discover in the future.
I am already excited for that. Thank you for exploring with me today, and thank you everyone for listening to our English conversation. If you enjoyed this video and had fun practicing English with us, please leave your like and support the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next adventure. Goodbye everyone.